अब बारी है ऐसे चैप्टर की जो सबसे पहले करना चाहिए, एकदम छोटू सा चैप्टर है जिसका वेटेज ना के बराबर है, नहीं ही है, लेकिन करेंगे अपन। प्रिलिमिनरी इंट्रोडक्शन। द कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 consolidates and amends law related to companies in India. Purpose: adapt to evolving economic landscape and promote corporate growth. Asset and notification. Asset and notification received president assent है, asset नहीं है, assent and notification received presidential assent on 29th August 2013, published in official gazette on 30th August 2013. Commencement section number 1 came into effect on 30th August section 13th August 2013. 98th section became effectively on 12th September 2013 and 143 section from 1st April 2014. Rule based on legislation with 470 sections divided into 29 chapters include 7 schedules. Okay, सबसे पहले 7 schedules, 470 section and कितने chapters? 29 chapters. Short title: extent, commencement and application. section number 1 का है ये. Short title: the act will be called as the Companies Act 2013. Extent applies to the whole India including Jammu Kashmir by default आ जाता है. Commencement section number 1 was enforced immediately on 30th August 2013. Other provisions are enforced on dates notified by the central government. Application: applicable to companies incorporated under this act or any previous company law. Insurance companies aligned with Insurance Act 1939 and IRDA Act 1999. Banking companies aligned with Banking Regulation Act 1949. Companies generating and supplying electricity aligned with Electricity Act 2003. Companies governed by special acts. Any corporate body notified by central government. Definition section number 2. Purpose: provides clarity on terms based on throughout the act. Terminologies defined in related acts, example SEBI Act, Depository Acts, hold the same meaning here unless repugnant to the context. Key definition: abridged prospectus, a summary of prospectus as specified by SEBI. Accounting standards prescribed by the central government under section 133 recommended by ICAI consultation with NFRA. Articles of association of a company including alterations. Associate company: a company in which another company has significant influence, at least 20% voting power and control of business decision. At least 20% of voting power और control of business decisions associate company के लिए. Auditing standards prescribed by the central government under section 143 subsection 10. Authorized capital: maximum share capital authorized by company's memorandum. Board of directors: a collective body of directors of a company. Body corporate includes companies incorporated outside India but excludes cooperative societies and other bodies specified by the government. Books of accounts: records of financial transactions, assets, liabilities maintained in paper or electronic form. Branch office: any establishment designated as such by company. Charge: interest or lien created on assets as security including mortgages. Chief accounting officer and CEO. Chief financial officer CFO. Designated officers responsible for key managerial functions. Company includes entities incorporated under this or previous company laws. Control: power to appoint majority of directors or influence policy decisions, उसको क्या बोलेंगे अपन? Control. Debenture includes all debt instruments excluding those specified by RBI. dividend includes interim dividends. Financial year period ending on 31st March, exception for subsidiaries or foreign companies allowed by central government. Key managerial personnel, KMP, key managerial person includes CEO, CFO, company secretary and other officers prescribed by the government. Listed companies, a company with security listed on recognized exchange excluding specific classes as notified. Private company, a company restricting share transfers limiting members to 200. Private company, a company restricting share transfers limiting members to 200 and prohibiting public subscription of securities. Public company, not a private company, includes subsidiaries of public companies. Small company, paid up share capital is less than 4 crores, less than or equal to 4 crores. Turnover is less than or equal to 40 crores. 4 करोड़ 40 करोड़ स्मॉल कंपनी, बोलो 4 करोड़ 40 करोड़ स्मॉल कंपनी, 4 करोड़ पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल, 40 करोड़ टर्नओवर. Excludes holding companies, subsidiaries companies, section 8 company and companies governed by special act. कौन सी कंपनीज, ये एमसीक्यू में, ये इसका रिलेटेड एक एमसीक्यू है मॉड्यूल में भी. कौन सा है कि भाई ये कंपनी है, इसमें स्मॉल कंपनी का जो क्राइटेरिया है 4 करोड़ 40 करोड़ पेड अप टर्नओवर वाला, वो फुलफिल करती है. लेकिन वो कौन सी कंपनी है? पब्लिक कंपनी है. तो पब्लिक कंपनी नहीं बन सकती स्मॉल कंपनी, ठीक है. इसलिए एक्सक्लूड्स होल्डिंग कंपनी, सब्सिडियरीज, सेक्शन 8 कंपनी एंड कंपनीज गवर्न बाय स्पेशल एक्ट्स. ये चीज़ें ध्यान में रखना है. सब्सिडियरी कंपनी, अ कंपनी कंट्रोल्ड बाय अनदर कंपनी होल्डिंग कंपनी थ्रू वोटिंग पावर और बोर्ड कंपोजिशन. स्वेट इक्विटी शेयर्स, sweat equity shares, shares issued to companies or directors at discount. Shares issued to employees or directors at a discount, providing know-how or intellectual property. Test your knowledge में क्या लिखा है इसने भाई? Key concept covered: understanding the applicability of terms like small company, associate company and public company, examining the criteria of financial years and share capital. एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चंस, डिफाइन द फाइनेंशियल, ये थोड़ा मैं बोलूँगा थोड़ी, लेकिन थोड़ी बैठने का है अभी. डिटरमाइन वेदर द कंपनी क्वालिफाइज अ स्मॉल कंपनी बेस्ड ऑन द शेयर्स एंड टर्नओवर. हाँ ठीक है. शेयर कैपिटल कितना होना चाहिए? पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल होना चाहिए 4 करोड़ से कम, 4 करोड़ या 4 करोड़ से कम. टर्नओवर होना चाहिए 40 करोड़ या 40 करोड़ से कम, तो स्मॉल कंपनी बन जाएगी. और एक थोड़ा ईयर वाला है भाई, ये ईयर वाला ना जीसीए के लिए कंपनीज में तो ठीक है, लेकिन वो जनरल क्लॉजेज एक्ट में थोड़ा वो ईयर वाला भी पूछ लेते हैं. अगर नसीब बहुत अच्छा हुआ तो वो मैंने एक देखा था कि कौन कौन सा ईयर, मतलब फाइनेंशियल ईयर क्या होता है एक कंपनी के लिए, वैसा क्वेश्चन था. ठीक है, तो आता है ये तो सिंपल. इसमें फिर से बता रहा हूँ 100% कवर नहीं है भाई, बर्ड आई व्यू है. प्रिलिमिनरी का टाइटल देख के आया ना तो बस ओवरव्यू मिल गया. अभी ये चैप्टर पढ़ेगा मगज में उतरेगा. ठीक है, बाय बाय, जय श्री कृष्ण, हर हर महादेव.